All right, guys, we're doing Stevie Wonder today. Never in Your Sun. Eventually, and so forth. Guys, all the lessons for this will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. We'll do the part one here. I have well over 5,000 lessons on my site. Been doing this for 12 years, been teaching for over 30 years, and there's just a wealth, a lifetime of learning and information on webpianoteacher.com. Check it out. So here we go with our part one. Stevie Wonder always has really lush chords, so get ready for some cool chords to play. Lots of flats and sharps in places, and that's just how he does it. All right, B flat, D flat, F, A flat in the right. What I have here, there's one keyboard doing this. Da, 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 over and over. And you see 5 times there. 4 times is for the intro, and then Stevie starts singing on the 5th time. But then in small print up there, there's another keyboard that goes. So you can kind of try to combine those. There's no way to really play all of them together all the time. So let me show you just the first keyboard first. Then I'll show you the second little keyboard on top, and then we'll see how to try to combine those. And you can just do it the way you want to do it. But B flat, D flat, F, A flat, left hand on a G flat. I'll even put a 5th in there, a D flat in the middle. So da, da. Now we'll keep the B flat and D flat on the bottom, but we'll change the top to E flat and G flat. So 1, and then B flat, D flat, F. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you keep vamping that. The left hand still on G flat. At the end of that measure, da-dum, it leads us back in. You have A, C on the right, A natural, left hand on an F, and then it goes right back into it. And it's 5 total times. Let's do it a couple. Da-da-da, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time. Third. Now on the top there, I have that second keyboard. It's just F, E flat, D flat, B flat, then E flat to F, flip it, back to E flat. So it's what you can do is play that first chord and then play the little notes. And then just kind of maybe put a B flat on your thumb. Tried to put the chords in there too, it would get lost because the melody goes below the notes in the chord on this keyboard part. So you kind of have to choose which way you want to do it. If you want to go da, 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 or anyway, after the 5th time, and then when he's singing, because he starts singing on the 5th time, we have this. A in the right hand, left hand on B and F sharp, B, A, C sharp, A, D sharp, and it's just straight quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can do a B octave there. All right, so A, B, C sharp, E, A, B, C sharp, D sharp. So da, 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 da. Next measure, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. So E, B, E on the left. Right hand has G sharp, D sharp, and then G sharp, C sharp, B, G sharp. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Just follows his vocal line. And then C sharp, D sharp flipped. Then the G sharp, C sharp. So in there. That's enough for our part one. I think let's do it all. Very beginning, 1 and 2 and ready and go. Now I'll add the other part. Sorry, fifth time. Here's the fifth time. All right, there's our part one. I'll see you on webpianoteacher.com, and we'll finish it up. Talk to you guys later.